Alright guys, we're here with the pressure washer I telling you about. It is 2700 psi by Westinghouse. I'm going to put some specs up on the video, and I'm going to put a link to the pressure washer itself, or you can pick one of these up if you decide you want one. Like I said, I am getting away from the gas pressure washer. I'm going to move on to the electric pressure washer, and we are definitely going to put it through its paces. I probably use a pressure washer during the spring and summer 2-3 times a week, between the dirt bikes, the boat, the vehicles, just around the house. And this time of the year with the pollen, man, it's bad right now. So beautiful day, just got this in. We're gonna get it opened up. All right, let's crack it open here. All right, put this down so we don't cut ourselves. All right. Okay, so in here we've got our user's manual, got a parts diagram, the exploded view. There's the model. This is the 2700e. Okay. Parts, part numbers. If you ever need these, can't find your paper, just pause it and get what you need. Okay. Westinghouse, that's our panel there. That's our front panel. We got our nozzles, we got our soap. What's this? Okay, that's our 0, the red. 15 is a yellow, and 25 degree is green. Got a nice little handy storage. Okay, our turbo nozzle will go there. Okay, must be in here somewhere. Okay, set this off to the side. Okay, moving on. This is our wand hose here. Seems to be good quality metal. Okay. Set it down. Okay, what's that? Okay, item qualifies for a bonus when you leave a review. Sounds good. Okay. And we got a bag of parts here. Let's open that up, see what we got here. Okay, get this. We're gonna lay all this out and we'll figure out what all it is. It's like handle, probably for the hose wheels. And this will be for a wand, I'm sure. Okay, and there's our turbo nozzle. Again, metal. Got a little weight to it. Metal on the inside. Seems pretty good. Alright, we're going to go ahead. Let's just set that there for now. Okay. Moving on. Got our wand here. Yeah, this is where we're going to put our nozzles. This will hook, got a little protective cap. This is going to screw into our wand itself. Okay, there's our wand. Not bad. Got a little safety here on the nozzle. Okay. Alright. Next, looks like we got some parts. Got a couple, looks like probably the axles there. Got a little hole for probably a cotter pin. Yep, there's a 2 cotter pins. Okay. We have 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 screws, Phillips head screws. Okay. We got 2 washers. And we got 2 more Phillips head machine screws. Okay. Okay, now under that we got, this is the handle. Set this over here. Alright, now we're going to pull out the pressure washer itself. We've got the cord. We're going to hold this up. Not very heavy at all. Okay, more packing material. Did a good job packing it. And we got our 2 wheels. Okay. So we got everything. Alright. Okay, so this is our main engine. Okay, power cord, instructions. We have our handle, 2 wheels, have our axles for the wheels, our cotter pins, 2 washers, our power cord retainers, the front panel, our turbo nozzle, 6 screws, our wand holder, our wand hose, and our wand itself. And the tool you guys will need is a Phillips head screwdriver or a screwdriver with a Phillips bit. Most people have a Phillips head screwdriver, so that's the way we're going to do it. Alright, first things first, we're going to start with the wheels. So 2 wheels is how we're going to roll it around. We're going to need the 2 wheels, our axles, our cotter pins, and our washers. So we're going to need to lift up on the back, and then we're going to, we have 2 sides. We have this side, this side. This side is going to go towards the machine. We're going to take our axle, drop it in, and then we're going to put it through the, take our wheel, put our washer on, slide our axle in, and we're going to do the same thing on this side. And then we're going to take our cotter pin, line up our hole so we can get to it. And then we're going to take this straight side and slide it in. So we have our straight side, and this bent side is what actually retains it in place. Same thing on the other side. Alright. Next thing we're going to do, we're going to take our handle, okay, we have on the back side, we have these 2 holes that are going to slide into these. So put this in place and push down on those as we're pushing down on the handle until it locks in place. Next, we're going to take our 2 power cord reels and our machine bolts, Phillips head. And we're going to come to the bottom here. So our machine bolt comes from the front. And we're going to line it up. Take our Phillips head screwdriver, righty tighty, lefty loosey. snug it up. That's good. Same thing on the other side. Snug it up. A bit more on that. There we go. All right. Next, we're going to take our front panel and we're going to line these tabs up on this side here in place. We're going to take our 6 screws and we're going to get this started. Just start with our hand. So we're going to start in this top hole. There's 2 on this side, there's 4 on this side. So we're going to go down here to the bottom. Just get that started. Now it's going to hold that in place. We're going to need our wand holder. So this is going to go in these 2 holes. We're going to line that up. Get that started. Now we're going to go ahead, we're going to tighten this one up. And kind of hold everything in place. Snug. Go ahead and tighten this one. Not all the way up till we get all the screws in so we know everything's lined up. And get everything started. The other side, push it in. The last screws can go here. Snug that up, snug them up, make sure they're all relatively tight. Good. Okay. All right, next thing, take our wand. We can go ahead and remove the plastic protective over the threads. And this side is for our nozzles. This side we're going to screw into the wand handle. Get it started. Make sure you don't cross thread it. That crazy tight, just snug it up. Okay. Turbo nozzle is right here in this spot. Okay. And then we have our hose, has this little Velcro here that you can wrap around and help keep it in place. Both these sides are the same, so it doesn't matter which end goes to which side. But we're going to come down here, push it in, and then we'll start threading that. Snugged up. Our cord is here. We'll remove our cover from that threads. Same thing. We'll put, you got this O-ring here, so you need to push it till it kind of sits inside. Snug it up. Okay. And then power cord. Get this kind of unraveled here. Straighten it out a little bit. This is just going to get wrapped around here. Easy enough to move around, nice and light.